Age of bruise. Bruise heals by destruction and removal of the extravasated blood. RB disintegrated by hemolysis. Hemoglobin liberated broke down into hemosiderin, hematoidin, and bilirubin by the action of enzymes because of the formation of different pigment. Color of the bruise changes with age. Rate of healing faster if area is more vascular, condition is smaller, individual is young, well nourished and healthy. Healing is low under opposite condition. Color changes start at the periphery and extend inward towards the center. Color changes, rate of color change, healing highly variable as one should vary confess. Initially, it is red due to oxyhemoglobin. Few hours to 3 days to become 3 days blue color due to hemoglobin. Reduced hemoglobin. Then fourth day, bluish black to brown, hemosiderin. Then fifth to sixth day, green color due to hematoidin. 7 to 12 days, yellow bilirubin. 2 weeks, it will become normal. G or R, red, blue, brown, G, green, yellow, hemosiderin, hematoidin. Hemosiderin form first then. Thank you.